The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall skilla! Alright, my people. Skilla there again once more, you know. Big up and respect to each and every one, my people. I hope that everyone is alright. I have some information to give to you, my viewers and subscribers, you see? So, I got information that an explosion damaged automated teller machines at a bank that is located within a place that is known as Port Antonio. That's within the parish that is known as Portland. That's within the country of Jamaica on the 23rd of April, the year 2022, sometime after 3 a.m. in the morning. See, I got information that the explosion not only damaged ATMs, but the explosion also damaged the roof and the front entrance of the Scotiabank, you know, viewers and subscribers. See? One news article that I read said that 2 ATMs had been damaged, you know, viewers and subscribers, you see? And I also got information that an injured man was found at the back of the building. That's the same Scotia building that had been badly damaged, you know, viewers and subscribers, you see? Yeah, according to one news article that I read, I got the understanding that the news article said that an injured man was found hours after the explosion in an incinerator that is at the back of the building. I also got information that the injured man had been taken to a hospital by the police, and I also got information that the police suspect that the explosion might have been an deliberate act. You see? Now, according to other information that I got, it is said that the cause of the explosion had not yet been determined, but it is said that investigators are doing their investigation. It is said that firefighters and police officers arrived at the scene of the incident sometime after the incident happened, now viewers and subscribers. I understand? See? And I want to please bear in mind that there are more details to this whole situation, but I will do my best to keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on. Alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, there's also a video circulating on social media that shows some things that happened at the scene of the incident, now viewers and subscribers. And for you to get a better understanding about the situation, I'm going to present the video to you that I saw on social media. But before I present the video to you, I want you to please bear in mind that the video shows a badly damaged building. See? So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe. You can also tell me what I think too.
Just happened important to the guys. With ATM machine, both of them explode. I've never seen anything like this in all my life. It's like the movie.
Badly damaged.
Both on the ATM machine, both of them explode. Jaja live. You can imagine if I did.
Really was an explosion. Well, viewers and subscribers, yes, I left it, and I hope that this video was somewhat informative. Big up and respect to each and every one. And until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it?